I'm like really mad or sad the day of my guitar lesson, I feel like I come out of my guitar lesson nice and like very happy.
Makes me feel happy. Like my dad, he's working from home now, and he always says that when he plays guitar, he plays in meetings, like for fun. So he feels like it's a relief. So I feel that way, and it's just really fun.
But a lot of times when I'm sad, I'll just go and I'll sit down and I'll start playing piano, and I'll kind of transition from like a sad song to a lighter and more happy song, and I kind of work my emotions out until I can cool down, and then I can go back to whatever I was feeling sad about. But I think I come back feeling much better and kind of rested almost.
It makes me feel happy. Sometimes when I turn on music, I start dancing, and it makes me feel better.
It helps me to go to sleep a little bit and get comfy.
I remember one time I was just having a rough Saturday, but when I stepped into the piano room and started playing music with Nick, all my troubles just melted away, and I didn't feel like having a hard day anymore on that Saturday.